What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video. Man, you guys caught that video yesterday where we finally got all our motorcycles back to the house. Got everything here situated, man. We're gonna be heading down to LA soon and finish those bikes up and get the rest of the wheels so we can get them things like pretty much 100% complete. Meanwhile, man, I have not rode in my 1987 Monte Carlo SS with a ZL1 supercharger on that thing in a while, man. Like literally in a while. It's literally just been in the garage hibernating and just chilling out, man. It's about like 6:37 in the morning, man, and I'm feeling like pretty good right now. So with that being said, I'm actually about to go hop in this thing, take it on a ride around real quick before the day gets started, and then we'll see what happens. But in the meantime, and if you guys are just now tuning in, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. I definitely appreciate each and every last one of you guys out there, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win the whole Big Daddy giveaway, you guys know what time it is, man. Head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go ahead and get you an Everything's Regular hat or sticker. Either one will gain you entry into the giveaway, man. You get 500 entries per hat purchase and 25 entries per sticker purchase, man. You guys know what time it is. It is time to go. Yeah. In the meantime, man, let's get up in this thing and hop in and see what's going on, man. So before we get this thing fired up, now I actually want to go to the rim shop while I'm out. I don't even know what time the rim shop open out here. It's probably not even open no time soon. But however, we do have Big Daddy 1987 with the 87. Let me get this thing here. This is what you gotta do. Woo, ain't nothing like that there, boy. Yes, sir. Ooh-wee. Big Daddy for the Big Daddy. The Big Daddy for the Big Daddy, man. Y'all see what's going on. LSA, supercharged with the oohs and the ahs. It's time to go up, man. It is time to go up. Let's hop in this thing and get to sliding real quick, man. It's a movie. Alrighty, let's see what we got here. Man. I guess the garage opener would be nice. Radio's all ready to go. Let's see what we got. Let this thing run for a little minute, man. Let it run for a little bit. Oh, and I gotta move the other car, so there we go. Alrighty, guys, so much for a first ride video. I didn't even get to start filming before we had problems with this thing, man. So I turned on 2 songs and was jamming out right before I got to where I was gonna go to go film and record. We get stuck at the light in a sense of like the car is still on, but the transmission wasn't allowing us to freaking have the car in motion. So check my dipstick, it was no transmission fluid in there. Now that's kind of crazy to me. Why? Because before I left Houston, I just got the transmission service, paid a whole $1,500 for it and everything, man. So with that being said, I don't know why it's no transmission fluid in here. We definitely have a leak somewhere still. I actually walked over here to the gas station. The car was on a whole nother street. Walked over to the gas station, got 2 quarts of transmission fluid, put it in here. Now if you guys see this transmission hole is like super tiny, yes, you gotta fit all of that in there, and it was just a task in itself. But all in all, we got it to move with the 2 quarts. I called my guy Dumb by D. He said I'm gonna need about 7, so I got a few more. We're gonna put them in there. Hopefully we can finish off this ride with a successful one. Meanwhile, man, let's get these cones situated so we can get this fluid in here and hopefully get back on the road and get to some jamming, because right now it's not looking too good. Alrighty, guys, put the transmission fluid in there. Y'all see it finally started coming out, so that has confirmed we indeed have a leak still, man. So got to get this thing back to the shop. My house is right around the corner. Apparently I was driving this thing with no transmission fluid, so I should be able to make it 2 blocks, man. We'll see. Let's get it up in. Well, so much for that first ride. Golly. Fuck, this thing is smoking smoke. Oh my Lord. And y'all want this. That is crazy. This is insane. I ain't gonna even hold you. This is why I do not like these cars, bro. I swear to you. It never fails. It never fails. Cease Louise. Let's see. Got some drips up there. Got some drips back here. This is so freaking weak. I ain't gonna even hold you. I was not planning on getting a tow truck this morning having my day start like this. I ain't gonna hold you. I woke up in the best of mood. Woke up trying to get to it and everything. People hit me this morning like, hey man, that's a nice car, man, don't sell it. We'll come by it so you can't sell it, man. So you ain't gotta sell it. Heck, smoke flowing out the thing, bro. That's insane. That is insane. Yep, I guess we did her good this time, y'all. Guess we did her good this time. Man, so it's dripping on the exhaust, making it way more smoky. That's the whole thing. Look like something up here then bust. Must have put too much in there or something. I don't know. I know it's freaking smoke is smoke. I don't know if it was too much back pressure or what. Yep. See, splattered up here. That's what got it smoking. Guess it was too much or something. I don't know. Well, I made it back home. I ain't gonna hold you. I'm so over this. I am so over it, bro. Y'all don't even know. Y'all don't even know. Well, we made it home though, so. This still work out, man. I gotta air this garage out now. That's what I do gotta do. Alrighty, guys. Couple days later here, man, we finally got our Big Daddies in, man. We finally got our wheels in, man. So y'all see the freaking Brush Daddies with the white and blue buttons on them. Y'all see the Brush Daddies with the white and green buttons on them. Y'all see the front wheel. And y'all see the other front wheel, man. So it's time to get thing 1 and thing 2 situated. I actually got the cups for the blue one and the gas tank as well. I don't know where the top piece is, but we'll figure that out once we get that on the bike, man. So first things first, which one do I want to do? I would have did the white one, but I guess since the blue one is already up on the jack stand, I'm gonna be doing the blue one first. So let's get this thing jacked up a little bit more. Go get some tools out the backyard and get this front wheel off of here, man. It's been a minute since we had to do this, so let's get it in. Alrighty, now that we got our front wheel off, I'm actually about to take the freaking fork legs off so I can put the sliders on there and we can just get that done. We ain't gotta worry about it no more. Meanwhile, we got our back wheel back, our front wheel in the back to support just in case it tries to tip. All in all, we should be good. Let's get these fork legs off, get these fork sliders on. Big Daddies. And then let's get these wheels on there, man. Let's see how this thing gonna turn out. I can't wait. Now that we got our front wheel on, we got our fork sliders on there and everything. I actually tried putting our freaking front fender on there. However, the threads on this thing is freaking jacked up because of the paint. They painted over the threads and just trying to get them in there. It's just, I swear it'd be the simplest stuff that be blowing me. But even this screw right here is stripped, so gotta either get like a saw or something, cut like a flathead in there and then try to get it out that way. Otherwise, just get another fender because the threads is messed up. So we gotta see what we can do. But kind of want to try putting this back wheel on there and getting this one all completed up before we jump to the white one. Let's see if we can get this sucker done, man. Just like that, man, after some major struggling, we got that back wheel on. Now, I don't know what was up with these rear brakes, but it's not letting me collapse the brakes so I could put the caliper on. So Gotta figure that out. But meanwhile, the back wheel is on, man. I'm gonna see if we can get some power to this thing or something. Haven't seen it fire up or anything, man. I got the gas tank over there, so I'm gonna mount the gas tank up in the meantime, and see what we can do, if anything's gonna be different, man. Let's see. We got this one all done and complete pretty much. I freaking tried turning it on. It's got no power. And my freaking kickstand is so whooped, bro. Freaking call myself propping it up. And look at that. Freaking bike fell on the dang side peg, man. Got a scratch there and a scratch up here. Man, I'm so irritated right now, I swear to you. I am so over it, to be quite honest with you. But all in all, got the back wheel on there, all the above. Irritated as heck, man. But I guess we could throw the front one at least on this one. I'm tired. I don't even know if I'm gonna get to the back one on this one today. But the front one, we should be good to go, man. Let's see what we can do. Guys, and just like that, man, we done got this thing finished up. We got the front wheel on there, fender, brakes and everything look good. Gotta clean up the forks because it got like some water on it, but other than that, looking good. Now all we need is the radio, and we are good to go on this sucker here. Like I said, this one is looking good. We got the back wheel in there. Can't really see it from this end, but if we scroll around with the scroll arounds, see, this pipe really like take away the wheel, man. If you had like a nice shorty or something, you'll be able to see this wheel a whole lot better. But all in all, back wheel on him. We take a step back. I ain't gonna hold you, them wheels make this thing pop that much more, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. Oh my Lord, blue and green on the buttons with the blue and the green in the paint. I'm digging it, man. I can't wait. Digging it. Can't wait. That thing look good. Thing looking good now. And then of course we got them both looking good in the sun. That white and blue is flowing. I ain't gonna hold you. That thing is flowing on the wheels with the white and blue. Big Daddy's on there, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, man, head on over to Everything Regular. The only thing we gotta do now is get some speakers, a radio, and then get some screws for our storage door covers here. And then our turn signals, our LED turn signals should be here. And then we gotta get another light. Meanwhile, this black and white one is looking real good as well. I ain't gonna hold you, the wheels didn't change this whole freaking bike up. It was looking so regular and so ugly before. But man, it's amazing what a pair of rims would do to a bike. Now as well, we got the LEDs for this bike coming. They should be here today. So this thing should be looking a little bit different from the front end in a couple hours. But meanwhile, all in all, looking real good. Looking real good. Now I'm not getting no power to this one just yet. Gotta figure some more stuff out, but all in all, it is getting there. It's looking like a masterpiece slowly but surely. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments below, man. So alrighty guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in today. If you guys want a shot at winning these things, man, it's looking like we might be going live this Friday coming up, man, so stay tuned. I'm just about done. All the hard stuff is done, so now it's literally like all the little things, man. So I'm gonna go to Harley, get a few more parts, get a freaking kickstand for this one, and get a spring for that one, and get some other little things, man. So y'all stay tuned. Like I said, if you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, man, head on over to everythingregular.com right now. Go get you either an Everything Regular hat or a sticker. Either one will gain you entry into the giveaway. Let's get it though, man. I'll catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace out.